Hi everyone, my name is MJ and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. I'm here today to talk to you about the small, easy to use ZMax MicroCam. But first, if you find this video helpful, please give our video a like and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter, links in the description below. Also, if you would like to purchase this product, click the link in the upper right hand corner or the link in the description below. Introducing one of our newest cameras in the ZMax series, the ZMax MicroCamera. Offering a small and versatile design with high resolution video, this camera can be used in any situation. Whether it's watching your living room or keeping an eye on the maids, there's definitely a proper place for this camera in any circumstance. Offering 9-hour battery life with the capability to be plugged in for consistent power, I've even seen this camera be utilized as a high-resolution dash camera. The unit even has motion detection recording, which can be utilized to get as much as a whole month of standby time. With a super wide-angle lens, it captures 160 degrees and the picture quality is 1080p. Keep in mind, this unit also records audio up to 30 feet, allowing you to capture everything in the surrounding areas. Being one of our most user-friendly models, you essentially only need to put in a micro SD card and it's already ready to record. This recorder has a small, versatile design, allowing it to be discreetly placed anywhere. Let me show you what comes in the box.
So after you have everything unboxed, you should have the micro USB cable to USB cable. This is used to charge the device and connect it to your Windows or Mac computer to change the settings. Up next, we have the complete user manual. This contains any and all information you need to know about the product and how to operate it. Lastly, we have the unit itself. This is the MicroCam, which actually does all the recording. As you can see, it's a small black brick that can be hidden and strategically placed anywhere for discrete recording. The only setup necessary is to put a micro SD card into the back of the device and make sure it's completely charged. A full charge takes 6 to 8 hours, but they typically come charged out of the box. To begin recording, just press and hold the power button until the LED light turns green. After that, it should be blinking green, indicating that it is recording. To stop the recording, press and hold the power button again until the LED light turns orange and then off. Note that to use higher Gigabyte SD storage like 64, 128, and 256 Gigabyte SD cards, you have to format them through the device itself. Let me show you. First, you need to plug your device into a power source, and then put your high Gigabyte SD card into the device and grab a sharp pointed object like a paperclip or thumbtack. The light should be a solid orange if plugged in. Now you need to take your pointed object and insert it into the tiny hole closest to the power cable, and press and hold into the hole for a few seconds. The LED should now rapidly blink red. Now press the small hole again and it should turn green. This means the SD card is formatted and that it worked. The SD card is now ready to record. Let's test it out. As you can see, the green light is on and blinking, meaning it's recording. When you're recording, you have tons of settings to adjust through the Zeta computer widget. Let me show you how to download it and use it. Here we are on my PC web browser. First, you have to go to zeta.hk.com and go to the Support tab. This will also be linked in the Support tab of our website under this product, and I'll also link it in the description below. This is the Z82 model, so this is the correct support section. If you're on Windows, click the Windows hyperlink and vice versa if you're on a Mac. Once the download is done, open it up. Click More Info and then Run Anyway. Don't worry, this program is safe to run and will not install any malware on your computer. Windows just doesn't recognize the program developer. Now that the setup window is open, click Next, then Agree, then select where you want the program to be on your computer. Then click Finish. Now that the widget is installed, type in the search bar Camera Widget and open it up. Now plug in your camera with the provided micro USB cable, and the widget should have a green symbol that says DVR connected. This blue text syncs the date and time of your computer to your camera for accurate date and time stamping of the videos. The Option tab allows you to change the language in which the widget is in. In the settings, you can adjust all the settings you need for your camera. You can adjust video quality, lighting conditions for where your camera is, orientation if you want to flip your video upside down, turning on and off time and date stamping, turning on or off circular recording like a dash cam, turn the mic on or off, turn the LED light on or off if you want even more discrete recording, change the motion trigger sensitivity, change the power option, always on for 9 hours of battery life, and max battery for up to 25 days of standby battery life. And finally, you can change how long you want your clip to be split into. After you set your settings how you want, make sure to click Sync Settings to DVR. And that's it.
The camera lens offers crisp 1080p picture as well as a 160-degree field of view, making it a great choice for recording video and audio. With a little creativity, this cam can be hidden anywhere. Now let me show you a quality demonstration. The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. Spy Center is not responsible for any legal or inappropriate usage of our products. Spy Center encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. Hi everyone, I'm going to be doing this demonstration in our Plano storefront. Do keep in mind that I'll be talking at a normal speaking volume and there may be some interference from the fans overhead. Hi everyone, this is the audio and video quality at 10 feet. This is the audio and video quality at 20 feet. This is the audio and video quality at 30 feet. Let's head back to the studio. All of the videos you record are stored on a micro SD card with up to 256 gigabytes of memory. When you're ready to review the footage, simply plug in the recorder with the SD card in it into your Windows or Mac computer to review the footage via Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, or QuickTime. As shown in the setup, the best feature of the ZMax MicroCam is the ease of use and high quality video recordings. With this cam, you have the ability to easily create high definition recordings without much of any setup being involved. Being able to just pop an SD card into the recorder and begin recording could be the difference in capturing the footage or missing it. Overall, this product is a fantastic option for discrete video recording and has limitless applications. You can check out more hidden cameras, audio recorders, GPS trackers, dash cameras, and other spy gear on our website, spycenter.com. If you like this product and would like to check it out, I'm going to put the link in the top right hand corner of the video and in the description below. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more product tutorial and review videos. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. What sets Spy Center apart from other spy gear stores is that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've been the leading provider of quality spy gear in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for nearly 30 years. And we offer free FedEx 2-day shipping to all 50 US states, even Alaska and Hawaii. We're standing by to answer any questions you may have via online chat at spycenter.com and on our telephones at 1-800-292-7748. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.